how to flip your video in a Canva design. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can flip a video in your Canva design. So in order to demonstrate, I have this presentation design right here in my Canva. So in order to demonstrate, let's add a video into this. So in order to add a sample video, I'm going to click onto these elements option, and from here I can choose any video. So for example, let's say this video of a tree right here. So now let's say this is the video that I have added here, and for some reason I want to, let's say, flip this particular video. So in order to flip this video, the first thing that you need to do is click onto this video, and you will have access to all of these menu at the top. So now from this menu you need to click onto this flip option present here. So simply click onto this flip option, and once you will do this, you will have two further options. The first one is flip horizontal, and the another one is to flip it vertically. So if you click onto this flip horizontal, the video will be flipped horizontally. As here you can see, just as I have clicked flip horizontal, the tree has been moved from the left hand side towards the right hand side. And now if I'll undo this, then I also have the option to flip it vertically. So if I'll click onto the flip vertical, you can see that now the tree is inverted. So that's how you can easily flip this particular video horizontally as well as vertically. So that's how easily you can flip any video in your Canva design. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.